Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Struggling to stay motivated while learning English? It starts with understanding why you're doing it in the first place. You see, motivation is fueled by purpose. It's not enough to just decide that you want to learn English. You need to understand what's driving that desire. Maybe you're aiming for a promotion at work, planning an exciting journey overseas, or simply want to dive into a different culture. Or perhaps you're eager to connect with a broader network of people. Whatever your reasons, they are unique to you, and they are powerful. Once you've identified your why, it's time to make it visible. Creating a vision board or a list of goals can serve as a constant reminder of your motivation. Every time you glance at it, you'll be reminded of the rewards that await at the end of this journey. Remember, your motivation is unique to you. Keep it in mind as you embark on your language learning journey. Next, set achievable goals. They provide a clear direction and make the learning process less overwhelming. The key here is to create SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break this down. A specific goal could be reading a short story in English, rather than just improving your reading. Measurable could mean setting a target of learning 20 new words a week. Achievable? Don't aim for fluency in a month. Instead, focus on gradual improvement. Relevant goals align with your overall reason for learning English. Time-bound means setting a deadline for your goal. This could be mastering a conversation topic by the end of the month. To make these goals less daunting, break them down into smaller tasks. You could divide your weekly vocabulary goal into learning 4 new words each day. Remember, every small step is progress. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small they seem. Now, let's create a study routine. Consistency is key in language learning. A steady and regular study schedule that fits your lifestyle can make a significant difference in your English learning journey. It's not about studying for hours on end, but rather about regularity and quality. Whether it's half an hour in the morning or an hour in the evening, find a routine that suits you best. Furthermore, make sure to diversify your learning activities. Variety is the spice of life, and it's no different in language learning. Combine listening exercises with reading, sprinkle in some writing tasks, and don't forget about speaking. This balanced approach will not only keep your study sessions engaging, but also ensure a comprehensive grasp of the English language. Remember, your study routine should be tailored to your personal learning style and preferences. Don't force a routine that doesn't resonate with you. Your study routine should work for you, not against you. Make it enjoyable and productive. Learning English doesn't have to be dull. There are countless resources out there that can make it fun and exciting. You might be fond of podcasts, movies, or books. If so, try to find ones in English that match your interests. From detective novels to science documentaries, there's a world of English content waiting for you. If you're more of a tech-savvy learner, there are numerous language learning apps and games designed to make studying a fun experience. Duolingo, Rosetta Stone, or Babbel are just a few examples. These platforms turn language learning into a game, helping you to pick up new vocabulary and grammar rules in a playful manner. Online courses can also offer a more structured approach with learning paths designed for different levels and goals. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, or FutureLearn offer a multitude of English language courses, from beginner to advanced levels. Remember, the best resources are the ones that you enjoy. Find what works for you and stick with it. You're not alone in this journey. Joining a language learning community can provide the support you need. Indeed, when you connect with other language learners, you tap into a wealth of knowledge, experience, and shared enthusiasm. Imagine participating in online forums where you can ask questions, share resources, and discuss the nuances of English. Consider finding a language exchange partner. It's a win-win situation where you help someone learn your native language while they help you with English. Or how about joining local meetups or online groups? These are great ways to practice speaking English in a relaxed, friendly environment. You could also join study groups or conversation clubs. These platforms provide an opportunity to practice English and share learning experiences with others who share your passion. You'll find that learning becomes much more enjoyable when you're part of a community, and together you grow and progress. Learning is more fun when done together. Find your tribe and grow together. Progress may be slow, but it's important to acknowledge it. Tracking your progress can boost your motivation. It's like a journey where you leave markers along the path to see how far you've come. One of the best ways to do this is by keeping a language journal. This is not just a place to jot down new vocabulary and phrases, but also a space to reflect on your learning journey. It's where you can write about your successes, challenges, and insights. Another way to track your progress is by using apps or tools designed for language learners. These tools can help you see your improvement over time in different areas, such as vocabulary, grammar, listening skills, and more. They can also provide feedback and recommendations to help you focus on areas needing improvement. Remember, progress, no matter how small, is still progress. Celebrate your improvements. Each step forward brings you closer to your language learning goals. Lastly, stay positive and encourage yourself. Learning a language is a journey, not a race. It's easy to look at others and feel behind, but remember, everyone's pace is different. Instead of comparing your progress to others, focus on your own achievements. Celebrate the small victories, like understanding a phrase in a movie or using a new vocabulary word in a conversation. Remember that every step, no matter how small, is a step forward. And setbacks? They're not failures, they're simply opportunities to learn and grow. And don't forget to reward yourself. Reached a goal? Celebrate. Maintained your study routine for a week? Treat yourself. These rewards, whether they're a favorite treat or an hour of your favorite pastime, serve as positive reinforcement. They make the journey enjoyable and motivate you to keep going. You're doing great. Keep going and don't forget to pat yourself on the back. So, to wrap up, let's quickly revisit the key strategies we've discussed today. We began by understanding your personal why for learning English, which could be career advancement, cultural appreciation, or simply connecting with others. We stressed the importance of setting achievable goals and breaking them down into manageable tasks. A consistent study routine tailored to your lifestyle is a must, and it should involve a mix of different activities to keep the learning process engaging. We also explored the idea of finding resources that you enjoy, like movies, books, podcasts, or even language learning apps. Remember, it's about making the learning process fun and enjoyable. Joining a language learning community can be a great way to connect with others and share learning experiences. Keep track of your progress and celebrate your achievements, rather than comparing yourself to others. Remember, your English learning journey is unique to you. Embrace it with these strategies and watch your motivation soar. Good luck!
Let's learn new words and practice English at level B1. Goal. Goal, an aim or desired result that you work towards. Example, setting clear goals can help you stay motivated to learn English. Routine. Routine, a sequence of actions regularly followed. Example, creating a daily study routine can keep you on track with your English learning. Reward. Reward, something given in recognition of one's service, effort, or achievement. Example, reward yourself after reaching a learning milestone to stay motivated. Progress. Progress, forward or onward movement towards a destination. Example, tracking your progress can show how much you've improved and keep you motivated. Support. Support, assistance given to help someone achieve their goals. Example, joining a study group can provide support and encouragement.